Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we have seen about the 404 pages we have seen, right? Now in this video, what we'll try to do is, we will try to see about the nested routing. We have already seen in the Angular that about the nested routing. Same in the Vue.js also, we can implement the nested routings also. So let's try to see in this video how to implement the nested routing. Now in our project, if you try to see our project, so where will the nested routing will be possible here. If you try to see here, we are having the post details. So the post page is responsible for displaying all the post details. Now if I click on the show details, it is going to post slash some id and it is showing the details of the post which belongs to that particular id. So this is fine. Now we can do one thing here. What we can do is, instead of showing it this all post details in a separate page, so whatever the user clicks here, so if we show it in the side here the post details, then it will be better, right? So let's try to implement like that. So now in order to implement like that, what we need to do is, so these are the two routes what we are trying to implement. So here in order to implement the nested routes, what we can do is, here children, okay, we need to add children, and children will take array of objects, and not now what we can do is, we can copy this all the post details thing and we can paste it here. And one thing what we need to do is, we need to remove this post thing. So why? Because slash post already is there in the parent route, so there is no need for us to give the trailing slash or like this. So we can give just a delimiter id and it goes to the post item props true. Fine. So one thing is completed. Now what we can do here, if we try to refresh the page, here post details are coming. If I click on the show details, so the URL is changing, but I am not able to see the post details. Why? Because it is in the same page, it is in the parent page only. Now we need to load the child route also. How to load this child route? How to load this child route is, for example, in order to make the provision to load this child route, somehow we need to give in the parent route post component a provision for where to load this child route. Okay, so now let's go to the post view. Okay, here is the post details, right? So let's try to do one thing. So dot row, I can give dot row dot call mod 8. I can use something like call mod 8 and I can copy this entire post details which belongs to the parent data. I can write it here. Okay, now I can write call mod 4. Okay, another half I can do call mod 4, and in this call mod 4 I need to load this child component. So that means if I try to see the output here, now this one we got a gap here. Now when I click on the show details, here I need to show the child route. Now here what I need to do is, same in the scenario which how we have used the router view, we need to use the router view here, so that the child route will be loaded here. Now if you try to see the output, what will happen? See, you are able to see the child route here. If I click here, automatically the data will be changing here. So in this way we can use the nested routes to load the child routing. Okay. Now in this place only, if you try to see, for example, if I go to the post details, now here some empty here with the router view is not loading anything. Why? Because there is no child related to post slash nothing. Post slash some other id is there, means then it will load the child route. But in simply the post is there, that means only the parent route is getting loaded. There is no child route associated to that one. So that is the reason what it is happening is, here we are getting the empty. So if you want to show some default component or anything, how we can do this one? So we can do something like here. So here we can do path empty and load the component, whatever the default component you want. Okay, here I can write something like no post. Okay, no post, something like this, no post component or anything. So if I go to the pages, and here I can write no post dot view. Okay, here what I will try to do, I will try to load the template, and here I will write to do div, and here I will write h3. Please select please select show, please click on the show details or something. Please click on the show details to get the post complete details. Okay, so we can write like this. So now whatever the data you want, you can show it. So this is the basic no post, right? So what I will try to do, I will try to import this no post. So import no post from components slash pages slash no post dot view. I have loaded the no post. Now if I try to go here and if I try to refresh, so what it will happen? So here you will be able to see that please click on the show details to get the post details. If I click on the show details, now I am able to see the post details. So in this way, we can load the default child root also if there is no child root present here. So in this way we can use so post empty and what are the component you want to load. So when the parent only the parent root is there, so if you want to load any child default component, you can load it like this. Or otherwise, if any ID is present, you can load it like this. And also if you want to have children for this one, you can have children for this one also. So that this post item will become the parents. In this post item, you need to include the router view. So in this way, we can implement the child roots in the Vuejs. So if you see the nested routes here, you will be able to see the nested routes. Router view, it is the root router view, and in this child you will be implementing the router view. So like this path profile and path post, like this you will be able to mention the children. And also if you want to use this user path empty user component user home means, so in the user parent root itself, it will load that user home defaultly. Okay, so in this way we will be implementing the nested routes in the Vuejs. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.